Welcome to New American Garden. I'm Carl Bishop, and this is my three-part series on gardening for beginners. Has anyone ever asked you, so, what agricultural zone do you live in? No? Well, maybe you should ask yourself that question. The agricultural zone, or hardiness zone map, tells you the average high and low temperature for your area of the country, which lets you know what types of plants you can grow. First thing before you put anything in the ground is to do a little planning. Know what plants to put where and why. Three main things to consider when you're planting a garden is sunlight, food, and water. All plants need all three. Once you've decided on the perfect spot for your garden, you have to create a garden bed. The option I like for vegetables is a raised garden bed. I get a ton of catalogs all year long from seed companies, plant growers, garden tool companies, and I certainly don't mind that they've got my number. I look through everything, and boy, did I see something really cool this winter when I got a catalog from Gardener's Supply Company. I paged through it, and I saw these aluminum garden bed corners. 90-degree corners made of aluminum, extremely strong, lightweight, rust-free. So all you have to do, slide the wood into the slots, put the screws provided through the pre-drilled holes, and your garden bed is done, and it looks great, and it's going to be very strong. Now it's time to fill that garden box with soil. So here's what I use. 1/3 peat moss, 1/3 compost, and 1/3 vermiculite. Vermiculite or perlite are minerals designed to hold water. The peat moss keeps the soil from compacting, and the compost holds the nutrients. And since we can't control the rain, we have to irrigate when the plants need it at the appropriate time. It's wonderful if you can come home in the evening, your garden's right there, and you can just give your plants some water. There's nothing more therapeutic, there's nothing more relaxing and connecting you to your garden, to your environment. If you can't do that, or if your garden's at a weekend house or you're away on business, set up an irrigation system cheaply and simply by getting yourself a hose timer and a soaker hose. You hold that hose down in place with either a rock or some garden staples, and you're guaranteed the right amount of water at the right time. Be sure to watch the other episodes in my Gardening for Beginners series, which continue to show you how to prep, plan, and plant your garden. I'm Carl Bishop, and this is New American Garden.